very little support from the others. The journey that started in the twilight, they have struggled to find their brightness in the innings. One of the two changes on the side, Niku Kumar playing, and the Shabir Khan. Gaurav Kumar Kaya will pick up a single. One away from three figures. 122 is what you predicted. Do you think that prediction is in doubt, or you still stand by it? No. It can never be. Just take a look at this. Now that's a good catch, let me tell you. That's a good catch. What made it easy for him, that the ball did not have great pace on it. Well done. He has his tail up, because they know they are talking to the tail at the moment. And they are not talking, they're yelling. They're screaming, they're screeching victory here. Do you see a turnaround? We may. Well, definitely Darbhanga Diamonds have got their tails well up. And Angika supporters not looking too pleased, because their team is still struggling to get into three figures. Shabir Khan down the leg side, and that wide will help Angika complete their 100 in the 18th over, 17.2. Well, they can be very interesting, but I'm not looking at 100. They should say, okay, let's just play for fun. Sometimes just take the fear factor out. Score 124. Okay? Come, pick up 2 early wickets, you never know. If the opponents have dismissed you for a low score, you can dismiss the opponents for a low score too. In so many games, India once scored 125 against Pakistan, they defended it. World Cup 1983. You can talk about it day in, day out. Oh yes, it's all goes about confidence, and that's exactly what Angika have got to show. They've got 100 on the board, they've scored the runs. Darbhanga have got to come back and chase that down. And only a day ago we had the legend of legends, the World Cup winning captain for India, legendary Kapil Dev. He was here. He shook hands with everyone. Personally, he was thanking every player to be here, congratulating them at the same time. Was telling them how important it is to enjoy this moment. There was nothing like that in his times. The World Cup winning captain certainly has a word of encouragement for everyone. Niku Kumar now on strike, wearing shirt number 5. Needs to get a move on in the next 14 deliveries. Very, very close to the stumps, and the bat missed everything. But the tailenders sometimes don't know much about the bowling anyway. You know, a pure batsman would have nicked this one, because a pure batsman would have come closer to the ball. Fast ball coming up, 4 runs from the over. 1 extra, 3 from the bat. Just when we've spoken about the fact that they need momentum, acceleration, a wicket has fallen, so let's take white. Oh, well done. 2 back-to-back deliveries, identical, ditto. 1 or 2 for it.
The best in the game, jet set to San Antonio for the Valero Texas Open. Who will stand tall under Texas size pressure and add their name to the list of distinguished champions?
For it. This is what they've done so far. Except for that half century, the highest score besides that is 13. It looks like to be an ISD code to me. 06950 713 4-2-2-1. USA got that. Who's calling bad luck?
Bad luck is calling definitely for Angika Avengers. Because at the moment, 102 is all they've got on the board. 12 deliveries to go. How much can they go? Well, that will fetch them at least one. Anything will do at the moment. Throwing the bat at just about everything.
Okay, now let's look at a few moments. That was second wicket. We look at 3 wickets that he's taken so far. Vipul, that was very recent, and that was the biggest of them all. Well done, wicketkeeper. You need to time your jump. When you don't time it, you invite more trouble for yourself. Every run is cherished and applauded at the moment. It tells you what sort of a drought there has been for the side.
Well, certainly Angika are a bit under the weather. Facing a lot of hostile bowling from Darbhanga. Darbhanga trying to keep the target as low as possible, and the bowlers have successfully done it. Both the seamers, Vipul Krishna has got 3 already. Could be number 4. Has it gone far enough? No! That will count for 6. Did it fall over the ropes?
And that is what you call adding insult to injury. With high hopes, he was looking at his teammate at square leg. Missed it short. Pulls it. Fielder stations himself under the ball. Fumbles it. Tries the second time. It tickles over. Rope killed all the hope.
Well, it's been given as a boundary, but the other angle may certainly have the umpire interested. Pushed away, and another boundary.
When runs start to flow, they come in any which fashion. There will be a misfield. There will be intelligent batting. You'll start to bisect the 2 fielders. The depth touch will get